how to fix your Xbox overheating issue in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So generally, overheating is going to go ahead and show you a sign that says your Xbox is too hot. The first thing you want to do is simply ensure proper ventilation. Make sure that your Xbox is in well ventilated area, at least 4 to 6 inches or 10 to 15 centimeters all around it should be clear. Do not place it in an enclosed space. And you want to also make sure that you clean the dust from the console time to time, or use a soft brush and compressed air. You want to also make sure that your room temperature is not too hot, and do not block the vents. If that is still not working, you want to try turning off and then turning it back on, or you could also take it to your nearest hardware store to check if there are any hardware related issues. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.